So I'm going to start off this beard by basically doing a C-cup by the sideburn, just so that this part can blend in with the beard. And, you know, it can kind of go into the beard. He's letting his hair grow, so we didn't taper it out or anything like that. I just created kind of like a C-cup right there to make it go with the beard. Now, right here, what we're doing with the beard, again, the beard is very patchy, very light. So what we're doing is just getting the baby hairs at the top. The real magic is going to take place once I grab that straight razor. So I'm just going over it as light as possible. Again, very patchy, very light. You don't want to push down too much. You want to keep as much hair as possible there. So there is hair if you have a patchy beard. It's there. You just got to know how to bring it out. Now what I'm doing here is just basically molding the side of the beard. I'm just going to kind of make like a L shape. I'm going to start on the outside, and then I'm going to go under the chin and kind of shape that out as well. Again, it's darker here on the sides and the bottom, but a lot of people do have that problem with the growth at the top. Most people grow the beard at the bottom and on the side. The issue really is just that top area. I know a lot of guys, you know, have that problem. And so, you know, I've been cutting hair for years, and when they come to the shop, I basically bring out that beard. So if you learn how to use the straight razor, like I'm going to show you in this video, you'll be able to bring out your beard or your client's beard as well. So I'm just going to clean it up as much as possible around the neck area and basically make that beard pop out naturally with no enhancements. Again, if you have a patchy beard, don't give up, guys. And we're going to make this thing pop. What I'm doing right there is just basically any stringy hairs that are hanging out, I'm just kind of shaving those. So what we're going to do is, you see this part right here that's pretty patchy. We're just going to go over it with the straight razor. Here we go. So what you're going to do is just stretch the skin. You're going to do it dry. Now what I'm using here is the Easy Blade straight razor along with the Easy Blade double edge razor. And I'm just going over it as lightly as possible. I'm doing it dry because if you try to put some shave gel or shave cream or something like that on there, you're basically going to push the beard down too much and you're going to go into that patchy spot. Now you can see the beard is starting to pop out. You don't want to bring your razor up too high because you can burn yourself or burn the customer. You just want to go, like, I want to say about 1/4 inch up and then shave down. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing that all the way around. And you're going to see like a white ashy line. What that white ashy line is, basically it's a little bit of skin. So when you're shaving, you're removing a layer of skin from your face. So you're going to see basically an ashy line. And what we're going to do is we're going to wipe that ashy line off. And we're going to do the same thing again to really bring out the beard. And you can see all those baby hairs are starting to pop out. All of those light hairs are really starting to pop out, and the beard is really starting to show. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to wipe that off because I don't want people to think it's an illusion because of the that skin line. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, stretch the skin as hard as possible, and we're going to go do the same exact steps, guys. And we're going to do this on both sides of the beard. You just want to, like I said, go 1/4 inch up. Don't go too far up. You don't want to burn the customer, especially if you don't know how to use the straight razor. And I'm just going to continue to do this over and over. And pretty much this is what we got, guys. He went from a patchy beard to basically a beard that stands out a lot more and looks a lot better. So look at the before and after. This is how we look before. And again, this is how we look right now. A lot better, a lot fuller. If you guys choose to use enhancements, that works. But if you're a person that doesn't want to use enhancements, any kind of sprays or anything like that, this would be your best bet. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com.